Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Taiquinix 2024 upgraded wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: plug and play, lightweight and portable. The wireless HDMI is prepared and ready to use upon purchase, requiring no drivers, apps, or network connection. It's lightweight and portable, eliminating the need for bulky wired cables. Perfect for outdoor business presentations, conference rooms, home entertainment, and multimedia education, providing convenience and efficiency. Long range, no lag, and strong compatibility. This device has a transmission range of up to 165 feet or 50 meters in open areas and up to 100 feet or 30 meters indoors. It features a built-in high-performance chip for excellent compatibility. Utilizing dual-band 2.4G/5G transmission protocols, it boasts strong anti-interference capabilities and high signal stability, effectively eliminating issues such as flickering, black screens, and latency. Note: transmission range may be reduced in the presence of obstacles like walls, floors, and ceilings. Additionally, the signal may not penetrate enclosed floors or ceilings. 1080p at 60 Hz Full HD with no lag or tearing. The wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver support Full HD 1080p at 60 Hz input-output resolution, uncompressed audio-video synchronization, automatic encoding, and transmission and decoding that preserve audio-video quality. It also supports the full RGB 4x4x4 color gamut, and there's no compression or artifacts. Dual mode flexibility. This device offers two modes, mirroring and extending, allowing you to choose flexibly between them. In mirroring mode, the audio and video content from the source device is replicated on the target screen, providing an identical viewing experience. On the other hand, the extending mode expands your workspace by enabling you to display different content on each screen, thus enhancing your efficiency and multitasking capabilities. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.